Hello friends! Big news in India's tax system. From the 22nd of September 2025, the government has completely revamped the GST slab rates. Earlier we had 4 slabs, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Now everything has been simplified into just 3 main slabs, 5%, 18% and a new 40% for luxury and sin goods. Some essentials even come under 0% GST. In this video, I'll explain what has changed, which items got cheaper, which items got more expensive, and how this impacts you and your business. So let's get started. Part 1. What was GST earlier? Since 2017, GST had multiple tax slabs. Essentials were at 5%, many daily goods at 12%, most consumer goods at 18%, and luxury or sin goods at 28% plus cess. But this made things complicated, both for businesses and consumers. That's why the GST Council and government have now brought in a new structure. Part 2. What's new in GST 2.0? Under the new regime, effective the 22nd of September 2025, the slab system is simplified. 0% GST, nil rate. Essentials like notebooks, pencils, some daily food items, life and health insurance policies, 5% GST. Most daily use goods such as dairy products, packed food items, footwear, garments under a certain price range, etc. 18% GST, consumer durables, electronics, household appliances, personal care products, mid-range vehicles. 40% GST. This is the brand new slab. It applies only to luxury and sin goods, like tobacco, pan masala, high-end cars above certain capacities, and other luxury products. The old 12% and 28% slabs are gone. Items have been redistributed into 5% or 18%. Part 3. What gets cheaper? Many items have shifted into lower slabs, meaning you'll pay less. For example, stationery like notebooks, pencils, erasers, now at 0% instead of 12%. Milk, curd, paneer and basic food items stay in the 0% or 5% bracket. Insurance premiums for life and health, now 0%, which is a big relief for families. Everyday essentials that were earlier 12% are now just 5%. Part 4. What gets costlier? On the other side, a few items will cost more. Luxury cars and SUVs with large engines, now taxed at 40%. Tobacco products, pan masala, and similar items, shifted from 28% plus cess to a straight 40% slab. The government says this discourages harmful consumption and raises revenue. Part 5. Why these changes? So why the change? The government has 3 main reasons. 1. Simplification. Fewer slabs mean less confusion for taxpayers. 2. Consumer relief. Many daily essentials now cost less. 3. Revenue balance. Higher tax only on luxury and harmful goods. Overall, GST is now easier to understand and comply with. Part 6. Impact on you. If you're a consumer, you'll notice lower bills on some essentials and slightly higher costs on luxury goods. If you're a business owner, you'll need to update billing software and GST codes quickly to match the new slabs. Check your stock invoices carefully because transitional rules may apply to old inventories. Part 7. Key takeaway. To sum up, essentials, 0% or 5%. Most goods and services, 18%. Luxury and sin goods, 40%. This is India's biggest GST reform since 2017 and it affects every one of us. Part 8 closing. So friends, that's the full update on the new GST slab rates. Do you think this simplification will really make life easier? Will prices actually drop in shops and markets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on finance, tax and economy.